Amniotic fluid. The amniotic fluid is the protective liquid contained by the amniotic sac of a gravid amniot. This fluid serves as a cushion for the growing fetus, but also serves to facilitate the exchange of nutrients, water, and biochemical products between mother and fetus. Now we will discuss about the characters of amniotic fluid, means the physical properties and the chemical composition of amniotic fluid. In the physical properties, amniotic fluid is a clear pale yellowish fluid and it is neutral or slightly alkaline in nature, means pH is in between 7 to 7.5. The volume of the amniotic fluid is related to the gestational age of fetus, means when the fetal gestational age is 12 weeks, the amniotic fluid is 50 ml. When it's 20 weeks, the amniotic fluid is 400 ml. At the 36 to 38 weeks of gestational age of fetus, it is maximum approximate 1000 ml, and at term it reduced by 600 to 800 ml. Beyond 42 weeks, it reduced up to 200 ml. It is completely changed in every 3 hours. When we talk about the chemical composition, the water has 98 to 99%, and in solids 1 to 2%, means half organic and half inorganic. In the organic constitutes includes carbohydrate such as glucose and fructose, proteins and hormones. In the inorganic constitutes, they are similar to those found in the maternal plasma as potassium and chloride, sodium and chloride. The color of the amniotic fluid. In early pregnancy, it is colorless, but nearly term, it becomes pale straw colored due to the presence of exfoliated Lango and epidermal cell from the fetal skin. It may look turbid due to the presence of vernix caseosa. In the abnormal color, means deviation of the normal color of the liquor has got clinical significance. When amniotic fluid is green colored, means it is meconium stained and it is suggestive of fetal distress. When the amniotic fluid is golden color, it indicates the RH incompatibility due to excessive hemolysis of the fetal RBC and production of excess bilirubin. When the amniotic fluid is saffron or greenish yellow colored, it shows in post maturity. When the amniotic fluid is dark colored, it shows the concealed accidental hemorrhage. And when it is dark brown, means tobacco juice color, it is found in IUD, means intrauterine death. Now the origin of liquor amni. The amniotic fluid has both fetal and maternal origin. In the fetal origin, the formation is due to fetal urine, secretion from the amniotic epithelium, diffusion from the umbilical cord vessels, transudation through the fetal skin, and the secretion from bronchial mucosa, buccal mucosa, and salivary glands of the fetus. In the maternal origin, the liquor is a filtrate from the maternal plasma. Now, what is the fate of liquor amni? The fetus regularly swallows the amniotic fluid, and in the maternal point of view, it goes into maternal circulation. What are the functions of liquor amni? So, in the during pregnancy, it protects the fetus. It keeps the fetus temperature constant. It allows pre-fetal movements. It prevents adhesions between the amnion and fetal skin. It gives nutrition to the fetus and acts as a medium for fetal excretion. And it forms a closed sac around the fetus, preventing ascent of infection from the cervix and vagina. During labor, amniotic fluid helps in the dilatation of the cervix. It prevents direct compression of the placenta between the uterine wall and fetus during uterine contraction, thus avoiding fetal asphyxia. When the membranes rupture, the fluid washes the birth canal from above downwards, thus removing away any infectious material. Now, what is the clinical importance of amniotic fluid? Study of the amniotic fluid provides useful information about the wall being and also maturity of the fetus. Excess or less volume of liquor amni is assessed by the amniotic fluid index, means AFI, and it is measured to diagnose the clinical condition of polyhydramnios or